in adding a user profile link to a menu. It's going to show a welcome message when the end user enters into the register area of the site. Like most of these, in this user area, if we're creating custom menus, we need to give it a menu title. We can choose to give it an alias. Again, you read the tooltip. This is going to pull the title and create an alias on the fly if we leave it blank. If we don't leave it blank, we can put whatever we like in here. We can leave ourselves a note. Here's the link here that's going to generate. We can edit the status, the access, the menu location, the parent item. Once we save this, we'll be able to order this item within the menu that we've added it to. So if we added it to the main menu and there's 17 items in the main menu, we'll be able to drag and use a drop down to order that item there. Here's the target window for when the user clicks on this menu item. The default page here, the language, the template style we can use if we have one. Title link attribute is an optional custom description for the title attribute for the menu hyperlink. And there's an optional custom style to apply to the menu hyperlink as well. These can all, the CSS can be edited in the template.css. Then you refer to the class here. Do we want a link next to the image? This is regarding the image preview. That's going to have an optional, if the optional image is added, this adds the menu title next to the image. The default is yes. It's going to generate a dynamic page, so we need to give it a custom page title. We can choose to give it a page heading. We might want to do this because it's going to be an H1 tag on the page, so it's optional. Again, page class, we can assign optional CSS classes to this page, bring in additional elements if we like. And again, editing that template.css and then referring to the class in this field. We want to give the page its custom meta description, any keywords, edit the robot text, refer to this drop down here if we need to pay attention to SSL. If not, we can leave it at ignore. And in your installation, you might have or may not have this fusion menu options and split menu options. They are not part of the default installation in Joomla. And the module assignment for this menu as well. You can assign the menu to multiple modules. In most instances, you'll be adding this link to a custom user menu. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've created the link to the menu, then you can just publish the module on the page and the link will show up. And top right, we've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel. And by now, we should know that when we click save, it saves it and leaves us here. Save and close is self-explanatory. Save and new, it's going to save the item and it's going to return us to this page with all the fields blank so we can create a new one. And cancel sends us back to the main menu manager. Thanks.